Noon rain, very strange. Coming down like crazy. Just funny here though, it just pours like crazy and it just turns off. Look at all the brown water though, erosion everywhere. Nice that there's a place here for the dogs to get under cover. I was just coming out to bring my hammock in. I had it out yesterday. I got it all sweaty. Had it hung up to dry and it started pouring, so now it's all wet again. That's alright. That parachute cloth dries out pretty fast. Found a really nice hammock online the other day, a 12-footer from a company called, I think it was called One Line, something like that. They had 10, 11, 12-foot hammocks. The longer they are, the better they are for, you can sleep kind of diagonal in them and just sleep flat, just like a mattress. They're nice. This one had a bug screen for it, but it wasn't a zipper one. It was one that went over the top of the hammock, which is actually quite nice because the little zippers just suck. They just can't take it. See, look at it now, it's just nothing. Isn't that weird? Got to put a little cement trough in here. I fill this, I dig this out with a hoe, and 2 rains later it's filled in with silt again from farther up the hill. It'd be really nice to set one up and had the little grate on top so I could just drive right across it. That'd be pretty cool. And just have it funnel right down into the garden, maybe something like that. This tree here was, all the leaves were gone on this the other day. This is a talisai tree, and all of a sudden it's green again. We had about I'd say 6 weeks of total dry weather again. Now all of a sudden this last 3 weeks it's been raining. It's the middle of January, and the middle of February the dry season starts. So usually we don't have any rain from mid-February until July. Usually not even a drop here. But weather's been weird, so it's hard to say what's going to be here. Here's some nice rocks I got the other day. Big piece of petrified wood there. Quartzite, petrified wood. It's a nice red one there, like a jasper. Look how smooth and glass-like those are. Another piece of jasper, quartz. Some thunder in the distance. That's all I got, guys. Take care. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Take care.